There are a lot of noodle dishes out there, but this is one that everyone needs to try. First, get yourself some meat. I use chicken, but you can use whatever you want. I like thighs because they're more juicy, but you can use breasts as well. And you want to cut them into bite-sized pieces. Add some freshly cracked pepper and salt, and some soy sauce. After, add some cornstarch or flour or whatever you have on hand. Pour it out where it's gonna cover it enough, and then start mixing. If it looks a bit dry to you, you can add some water. And once it's all covered, you can let that sit and rest till we're ready. If you use chicken and you have the skin, you can start rendering the fat out of that and start boiling your water for whatever noodle you are making. Next, cut your onion in half and make some thick pieces. I had some jalapeños already chopped in a bag, but if you haven't, just cut them in thick pieces as well. For the sauce, it's equal parts honey and teriyaki sauce. In this case, I use 3 tablespoons of each, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to thin it out a bit, and then add some pepper. After rendering the chicken skin, throw in your onions and let those cook for a bit. Once they spread out and like they're not clumped up together anymore, you can throw in your jalapeños, mix it about, and then make a hole in the middle. Throw in a splash of oil, and throw in some red chili flakes. You can put in some minced garlic as well, but I didn't have any. But once you really start to smell it, you just mix it around afterwards, and then put it into a plate. Add in some more oil to your pan, throw in the meat that we set aside earlier, and just let it sit there for a little bit so you get some nice brown spots. And just mix it about until it's done. Then add in your noodles into the oil. It'll help it from not sticking to each other. Once you spread that about, add in the meat and the vegetables. Mix that about as well. And then the sauce. And now you're done. Now you just gotta plate it, eat it, and enjoy it. I really like this recipe because it's not so spicy that you can't taste anything else but the heat. But it's not too sweet either. Like, it's just right. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next one.
And if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out waiting for